Alright, today we're focusing just on one key part of the pergola build, installing the wall beam. They are ready, cut to the right length, and already treated by our kind assistant. Step 1. We mark out the exact height of the beam. For added precision, we're going to use a laser to mark reference points on the wall. Using the support of one of the posts, we'll align a vertical line on the wall to determine exactly where the ends of the wall beam should be, by checking the distance on the plan. Then a horizontal line representing the base of the beam. Step 2. We are going to hold the beams in place temporarily, giving us solid support while we get everything fixed to the wall properly. For the holes, we'll match the diameter to the threaded rods, but if we're using chemical anchors, we need to go slightly bigger. So let's drill the 4 holes, just below the horizontal marks, the first one at about 2 feet from the beam end, and the second one also at about 2 feet from the other end. Step 3. Next, we use a hammer to gently tap the threaded rods into place, making sure they're fully seated in the holes, and horizontal. Or we use chemical anchor. Step 4. Now the satisfying part, getting the beam up and secured. For security, it's highly recommended to use a second pair of hands. Once it's up, check that it's perfectly level one more time. Trust the level, not your eyes. Step 5. Now, while your assistant is holding the beam in place, we're going to drill the first hole for the anchor bolts or chemical. We'll start with the middle one. And so for the remaining ones. Once everything is finished, the 2 supporting threaded rods can be left as they are since they're quite discreet, but if you prefer, you can cut them with an angle grinder for a cleaner look. Also, you can hide the rod's holes with a nice cover, like this diamond-shaped hole cover I made, which gives a neat and professional finish. In the next video, we'll start laying out the posts, so if you have enjoyed this video, please subscribe. Thank you for watching.